Hello students, I am your physical education teacher. Today we will start the fourth chapter. The name of chapter is physical fitness. In this chapter we will discuss the meaning of physical fitness, importance of physical fitness, component of physical fitness and factor affecting of physical fitness. So first of all we will start the meaning of physical fitness. Regarding the physical fitness, different people have a different point of view. For a common man, to have a good physique or good body composition is a symbol of physical fitness. And for a doctor, the proper functioning of a physiological system is physical fitness. Means physiological system, if your respiratory system is working properly, digestive system is working properly, circulatory system is working properly, and all the organs of that system functioning or working properly, means that is a physical fitness. Physical fitness of a common person means the capacity to daily routine work without any fatigue, without any tiredness, and after doing his work he has a power to do some more work and the recovery is quicker. Means वो अपने डेली रूटीन के वर्क कर सकता है, डेली रूटीन के वर्क करने के बाद भी उसके पास इनफ एनर्जी है टू डू मोर वर्क and the recovery is also quicker. Recovery means any recovery can be there after disease, after fatigue, after injury. That recovery is a quicker. That means he or she is a physically fit. So one definition is there according to the Webster. It is the ability of a person to do daily routine work without fatigue, moreover to participate in playful activity. Playful activity means recreational activity and still reserve enough capacity to meet any emergency. It is a definition of physical fitness. And one more definition according to the Crows: successful adaptation to the stresses of one's lifestyle. Means अपने लाइफस्टाइल के स्ट्रेसेस को अगर कोई सक्सेसफुली एडजस्टमेंट कर लेता है, दैट मीन्स दैट पर्सन इज अ फिजिकली फिट. So it can be also said that physical fitness is the ability to function effectively and efficiently, to enjoy leisure, to be healthy, to resist disease and to cope with the emergency situations. That is a physically fit. Now the importance of physical fitness. The physical fitness is not only essential in the field of sports but in other fields also. So now we will discuss the importance of physical fitness. First point is helpful in improving the level of sports performance. Means if any person is a physically fit, then he or she can improve their sports performance, because different type of sports require different level of components of physical fitness. Means for example in shot put, the requirement of explosive strength is more essential than endurance. Without physical fitness it is difficult to enhance the sports performance. In physical fitness all the component is there, like speed, endurance, flexibility, strength, agility, coordination. If all these components will be developed, then only we can enhance the sports performance. So physical fitness will help us in improving the level of sports performance. So second is helpful in learning motor skills. Good physical fitness will help you learn in motor skills easily. Each component of physical fitness is essential in learning of motor skills such as strength, speed, and coordinative abilities, but flexibility is more important in learning such skills. So third is helpful in preventing sports injuries. A good level of physical fitness is helpful in preventing sports injuries. Like if your flexibility is fully developed, then you can prevent the sports injuries like joint injuries. You can prevent from the joint injuries. What is flexibility? It is a range of movement of joint. Due to strength, ligaments can bear more weight, and as a result the chances of injuries less. Means if your strength component will be developed, fully developed, then you can prevent from the injuries. Then fourth point is helpful in learning new techniques. Physical fitness, good level of physical fitness will help you in learning new techniques. With the passage of time, new techniques come into existence in the field of sports. Means new techniques है, डे बाय डे न्यू टेक्निक्स हर एक गेम में आ रही है. अगर if you will be physically fit, then only you can learn that techniques quickly and easily. Helpful in saving energy. Physical fitness is helpful in saving energy. Means who have a good level of physical fitness can do any sports activity by putting less expenditure of energy. By that you can save your energy. Due to physical fitness, various system of body become so efficient that they require less energy in performing various activities. Means if you are physically fit, then you can do any exercise or any activity with less expenditure of energy. By that you can save the energy. Then helpful in improving immunity power. Good physical fitness is helpful in improving the immunity system or immunity power. Those persons who have a good immunity power generally don't fall prey to various diseases. Next, helpful in maintaining good posture. Good physical fitness tend to help in maintaining good posture. If you will be physically fit, then you can prevent from the postural deformity or postural defects. The strength of our muscles depend on our physical fitness, especially on muscular strength. So physical fitness is helpful in maintaining good posture. What is posture? Posture is a body structure or body alignment. Then helpful in remaining active. Physical fitness will help you to remain active in sports. If you want to improve your sports performance, then this is very essential to be active in sports. So physical fitness will help you remain active. Next, helpful in managing stress and tension. Physical fitness will also help you to manage stress and tension. Not only stress and tension, anxiety and depression will be also managed through the physical fitness. If you manage stress and tension, then only your performance will be enhanced in sports and games. Then helpful in recovery. What is a recovery? Means normal state of breath, normal state of health. After disease, after injury, after illness, recovery will be fast if you are physically fit. So whenever sports person fall prey to disease or get sports injury, they generally recover soon from their diseases or injuries if their level of physical fitness is good. So that's all about meaning and of physical fitness and importance of physical fitness. Next we will continue with the component of physical fitness. So thank you.